Hello guys, I am Sunil and welcome to MS classes. So today my new topic is lines and angles class 9th. So we will start a new exercise. That exercise is 6.1, right? So you see very carefully, understand the topic. I am starting my new chapter lines and angles. So exercise 6.1, your question number first. In figure 6.13, line AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find the angle BOE and reflex of COE. So guys, I am writing here that is given and I will draw the diagram. So first of all, your diagram is a line AB. Guys, this is a line this line is AB. A line intersecting this AB, this line is CD. This is C, this is D, this is A, this is B, and one more line, this one, this is E, right? So we have these lines which are intersecting at point O, and what we have given here, angle, your question number 1, given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. To find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. So guys, this is very important question. You have to find these two angles. So first of all guys, BOD, here we have BOD, this is 40 degree, right? And second thing, AOC, this is AOC, BOE, this is BOE, right? We have given these two angle and sum of these two angle is equal to 70 degree. So guys, first of all, since angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, this, why these are equal? These are vertically opposite angles, right? These are vertically opposite angles, that's why these two are equal. Therefore, angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Now, you have given angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. AOC is equal to 40. AOC is equal to 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Now you take 40 from left to right. You have left angle BOE is equal to 70 degree minus 40 degree. This is equal to 30 degree. Hence, angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. This is your first solution, angle BOE. This is first answer. Now you have to find the reflex of angle COE. But before reflex of angle COE, you have to calculate angle COE. So where is angle COE? Here. This is angle COE. You see, now we know angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to this three, sum of these three angles. All the three angles are on the straight line, that's why these are 180 degree. You know AOC plus BOE, AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Then angle COE is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. This is equal to 110 degree. So guys, this angle is a 110 degree. Now you have to calculate the reflex of angle COE. Now reflex of angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110 degree. Guys, 360 minus 110, this is equal to 61, this is 5, 31, this is 2. So this is equal to 250. Right? So your answer is reflex of angle COE is equal to 250 degree. So guys, this is your answer. Your first BOE is equal to 30 degree and reflex of COE is equal to 250 degree. Right? So guys, this is the first question of exercise 6.1, lines and angles. Now we will solve next question. This is our second question of same exercise. Your next question is, you have given a figure, a line XY, right? This is XY intersecting line, this is MN, and one perpendicular, right? This is P at point O. Now what you have given? You have given this angle is A, this angle is B, and this angle is a C, right? So in figure 6.14, your question number second, line XY and MN intersect at O if given angle PO is equal to 90 degree, A is to B is equal to 2:3 to find C. So this is your question. You have given a diagram, angle POY is equal to 90 degree, A ratio B is equal to 2:3. Guys, since angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree, right? Let angle A is equal to 2x and angle B is equal to 3x, because this is given. Now angle A plus angle B is equal to 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x is equal to 90 degree. and x is equal to 19 upon 5. This is equal to 18 degree. 18 5 is 90. Therefore, angle A is equal to 2 into 18. This is equal to 36 degree, and angle B is equal to 3 into 18. This is equal to 54 degree. Right? Angle B is equal to 54. Angle A is equal to 36. Now, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because this is a linear pair. Linear pair of angles. Right? Because angle B is equal to 54, we have to calculate angle C. So take 54 left to right. This is equal to 180 minus 54 degree. So guys, 180 degree minus 54 degree. This is equal to 6 4 10, 5 2 7 and 1. This is equal to 126 degree. So guys, this is your solution. You have to calculate angle C. So angle C is 126 degree. Right? So guys, this is one of the most important question from exercise 6.1. Now, guys, your next question is question number 3rd. Here question number 3rd is here given a diagram 6.15. On this you have a triangle. Let this is PQR and this point is S and this point is T. You have given question number 3, given angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Angle PQR is equal to PRQ means this angle PQR is equal to this angle PRQ. Prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. PQS, you have to prove this angle is equal to PRT, this angle. Right? Now, solution is, since angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree, equation number 1, why? Linear pair. Because this is linear pair of a angle. Right? And second is PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2. This is again linear pair of angle. Because the right hand side of these two equations are equal, so we can equate these two. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. Right? Now, because PQS is equal to because PQR is equal to PRQ, this is PQR, This is PRQ. Both are equal. Now angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT plus angle PQR. Why? Because PRQ is equal to PQR. This is given. So PQR cancel out. We have left angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So hence proof. Right. So this is your third question of exercise 6.1. So guys, I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve these type of question from your book. Have a nice day. Thank you.